How to recover Garena account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily recover your Garena account. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. You want to simply open up your browser on any of your device, and on your browser you want to search in for Garena. You can see I've done so here, or you want to simply tap on the first link available that comes up, and you can see here on Garena official page I'm on. You want to simply tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you want to head into the account option. At the bottom you can see account, support and career. Simply tap on account option, and once you do so, it will take you to the login page. Now since you do want to recover your account, you don't know your password, you want to simply tap on forgot your password option, and once you tap on forgot password, it'll ask you for email or phone number. You can either choose either of the option if you have your phone number associated with your account, or if you have email associated with the account. Now if you have phone number, simply select the phone number option and type in your phone number, or if you have email, you want to simply type in your email or username, and then you want to simply select the numbers that you see here. You can see you want to type these numbers here, and then you want to simply tap on next, and there you should get the option to reset your password. So this way you can easily recover your Garena account password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.